Hello everyone, myself Mr. Dheeraj Patil, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma in Engineering and Technology. Our fourth chapter is PL/SQL programming. So continue with the fourth chapter. Next one is the procedure. Procedure store is a group of SQL statements which can be executed repeatedly. It allows variable declaration, flow control, and other useful programming techniques. Parameters are the important part of procedure. The parameter make the store procedure more flexible and useful. Store procedure can increase productivity by waiting once and using it many times. This is the diagram for the procedure. Get the all products. These are the applications. And here is the programming which is executed by the procedures. Advantages of store procedure. Store procedure can share logic with the different application. Store procedure can isolate user from the data tables. This gives you the ability to grant access to the restore procedure that manipulate the data but not directly to the tables. Store procedure can provide security that means user can input data and also they can change it but they could not write procedure because the data access control on them. So store procedure is fast because it is pre-compiled. It is easy to maintain. Next is it is improve the reliability and reduce the development time. Next one, increase the security. Database administrator can control the user who access the store and procedure. Reduce the network usage among the server and client. Then how to create procedure. This is the syntax. Create or replace procedure. Procedure name. First is the param name. Parameter 1, parameter 2 is declaration section begin, executable section, exception section, and procedure name slash. So example is create or replace procedure demo as begin. DBMS output put line welcome to PLSQL. After that end the procedure slash. Executing store procedure. You can call procedure in a three way using executing like execute demo welcome to PLSQL, using call demo, this is a output welcome to PLSQL, and using the PLSQL block like begin demo and slash, this is a welcome to PLSQL procedure complete. Deleting the store procedure. Drop statement is used to delete the procedure. Syntax drop procedure. Procedure name example drop procedure demo procedure complete. Next one is a function. Store function is function or user defined function are very similar to procedure except that the function can return a value to the location from where it is called. When the when we want a unit code of perform a specific task and return result, we should use a function. Procedure should be used to when a code should only perform tasks like insertion, updating, etc. and it need not return any result. Function parameter. The parameters more define the behavior of formal parameters. The three parameters more in, default, out, and in or out can be used with any subprogram. In. The parameter can be referred by the procedure or function. The value of parameter cannot be overturned by the procedure or function. Out. The parameter cannot be referred by the procedure or function, but the value of parameter can be overwritten by the procedure or function. In out. The parameter can be referred by procedure or function and the value of parameter can be overwritten by the procedure or function. Creating function. Syntax for creating function. Create or replace function. Function name parameter 1, parameter 2, return data type is or as, declaration section, begin, executable section, exception section, and function name. Example set server output on. Create or replace function sum integer a integer b integer return integer is begin return a plus b is equal to end the function created. Next example is create or replace function. Join a string s2 string s1 string s2 string return string is begin. String 3 is equal to s1 plus s2 return string 3 end. Executing function. Function call begin dbms output dot underscore line result is sum 5 652 comma 310 end. The result is 962. It is a summation of these both numbers. Delete function. Drop is used to destroy the function. Drop function function name. Example drop function sum. Advantage of function. Function is help to extend functionality PLSQL language. Function help to break a program into the manageable, well-defined model. Function promote a reusability. Once create a function can be called any number of times. Function support maintainability. It is possible to change code of function without affecting other application. Function help to differentiate tasks in the program. There is a difference between function and procedure. This is the parameters. Return. Function must always return a value. Procedure cannot return a value. Returning value. The return statement is function return control to the calling program and return the result. The return statement of procedure return the control to the calling program but no values. Parameters. Function can return data in out and in out parameters. Procedure can also return the data in out and in out parameters. Call. Function can be called by SQL. Also procedure cannot be called from SQL. Consideration. Function are considered as expression. Procedure cannot is be considered as the expression. In this part, we are seeing about the functions, difference of function, advantages. After that, procedure,